Alright, yo, you ready? Sync. 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 I don't even know how to go off from it. Our friend Will, or on Instagram, you want to pronounce his name? Because I'm going to fucking butcher it.
Misairu? Misairu!
We'll go with that, because I'm going to butcher it. Me and Joda actually met. We actually met Will.
Will Smith.
Is it? Don't show the dress. Your name's actually Will Smith? How did I not know that?
William Smith.
Alright, so Will Smith, the famous Fresh Prince, sent us a package of goodies. Stuff. On it, it says this. I'll let you guys read that. So it's for all of us, really me, because I'm the tween. But, besides that, if you didn't read it, it says, for the cool dudes, Anton, Adrian, Gabe, and Jodell. Sorry, Jeremy and Brendan. Because you guys weren't involved. But P.S. You're going to have to fight over them. So whatever's in here, hopefully it should be pretty good.
We're gonna fight.
The only thing
one's getting anything.
Yeah, exactly. We're the only ones here. We're the only ones that care. So we're gonna fight over it. He did say that there's a dead meme in there. So I'm happy for that. But I don't really know what else is in there.
There's actually something dead in there.
It's a dead rat. But
been run over
it's
like
a dead moth. But me and Jodell actually met Will at the Queen Culture meet where my car got hit. That infamous moment. He gave us this. I still have it. Mine broke. It's my fault, actually, because the way I was handling my keys. I think Jodell's broke, too, because Jodell has 80 keys on his keychain.
Nice.
Those broke, but we still have them. I still have it. So we're going to start opening this. Do you want to be the one to do it?
I don't want to just, like...
One at a time.
I want to, like...
Preserve that package.
That's what I'm saying. I don't just want to rip it.
It's going to...
You said ribbit?
Ribbit?
Ribbit. Alright, I got this. It's just going to take me, like, 10 minutes.
Oh god, there's a lot of shit in here. This is never. This is like I'm gonna like get stuck in there and be like, ah. Let's see. Alright, I'll pull something out small. Nice Bongo Cat. I'm gonna assume that's a dead meat. Unless there's more in there, I'm gonna assume.
Nah, there has to be way more.
We got I don't know if you can focus. Bongo Cat peeking sticker. Alright, at the end we'll fight over who gets what. How about that? We're not gonna do it now. At the end,
we'll lay everything out,
and then we'll go through it, and then at the end we'll fight over it. Because if we fight now, this video is gonna take 6 hours. So that's number one.
I'm gonna start laying it out.
You go next.
Oh my god, there is a lot of shit in here. Jesus.
It doesn't look like it from the outside.
You tell me I can't see from this side.
We got a nice one of his many logos that are actually really, really nice. We've actually been talking about doing another livery for either the 240 or E36 when I eventually get one. Not anytime soon, because I got other priorities in place.
All his links and everything will be in the description.
Description down below if you guys want to check him out. Definitely check him out. But I love his. He's got many logos, some retro, some newer style, but they're actually really nice. So we're gonna keep that on the side because we're not gonna fight now. I'll go next. If you guys didn't know, he's also like a graphic designer and he does like drawings.
He's really fucking good.
Yeah, he's pretty young too. He's got like what?
Yeah,
16,
I was just about to say he's still in high school and he's doing way more than I did in high school. So I'll tell you that.
Is this the same one? All right, good. So we got the same one again. So now we don't have to fight over that, which is good. Less fighting. Because me and Adrian will fucking brawl out. See, he's got a different style. Nice. Like this one's cool too. So hopefully there's more than one in here because. We'll fucking brawl you.
Yo, are you cursing at me? It's the same thing.
Alright, good.
2 and 2.
So we're not gonna fight. Too bad Jodell and everyone else is again. Shit.
It's the third one. It's a different color though.
Oh shit. Is this black?
It looks
no,
like
it looks
red.
gold. I hate doing this because then you never know if it's gonna stick properly again.
So then don't take it off.
Shut the fuck.
Give me.
It's gold. Nice. Where am I even? My car's white though. Gold. Same one as the first one, but it's gold. So I'm actually very happy about that. It's more prestigious.
Yo.
See, look. He's got another one of these.
What did you just say?
I don't know. What's in English? I can tell you that. But if you guys ever need anything, definitely hit him up. But don't be like cheap. Don't be like this person who's like, oh, I want a design. I'll pay you in a shout out. Like,
No.
don't be that guy. We got another one of the nostalgia ones. Will review.
That's exactly what this is.
Nice. This would be cool in your car. You gotta show them first, boy.
Your car sounds fast, but why is it so slow?
Shit. I mean, if we actually hit the track, this would be nice, because none of us fucking race right now. We're all garbage.
These are all amazing, yeah?
Very nice stickers.
There's nothing on top anymore. And there's nothing on the bottom.
Is that it? It's
I think
empty?
that's it.
It's empty?
There's one thing left in there, and that's yours.
Is it mine?
Yeah.
Oh, shit! Well, you're not getting this.
Yo.
Boy, look at that. He, most of his drawings are on the computer itself, but the fact that he actually drew this one...
Either with a Sharpie.
The Sharpie is actually really, really awesome. And you guys know my, Where's My Dominoes coming in.
If you don't know what that is, get out of here.
If you don't know what that is, let me talk to you. But thank you, Will Smith, the amazing Fresh Prince of,
Upstate New York.
Yeah, that's the best you're gonna get. But this is actually really awesome. Actually, I want to like frame this. This is gonna get fucked up. I don't want to fuck it up. I gotta put it somewhere nice. I gotta put it under my desk for now. It's gonna go right there. Right there.
It's gonna fade. You should laminate it.
Lamination?
Yeah.
Get a nice silky smooth cover. We're gonna keep this too. Anytime you guys send me anything, I always keep the envelopes. I have another one somewhere that I actually want to show you guys. Like somebody sent me this. It was just an envelope, but they have a banana next to my next to like a checkered flag with a 24 on it.
Nice.
I also have an envelope that says what was it? Oh, it said Mr. Tween. I guess they didn't want to look up my name, so they just wrote Mr. Tween on it.
Nice.
But thank you, Will, so much. Alright, let's go through this. One, I'm taking Bongo Cat. You can suck my ass.
So then I'm taking that.
Then I'm taking that. Oh, I almost fell.
And then the rest is 2, 2, and 2.
Alright. We gotta give the other guy something.
No, fuck them.
Shit, I don't know what I want. I already took this one, so I can't take another. I'm taking one of these. Take one.
This says Misairu on it, and I want something that doesn't say it.
So take it.
Right, that's all I want. Everyone else can get it.
So we can give Gabe and Joe all these. I kind of want them, but I don't want to be a dick. No, we'll give it to them. We'll be nice. We'll be civil.
Just this once.
Never again.
Just this once.
Alright, so I'm taking the nostalgia one. I'm taking Bongo Cat. And then I'm taking the gold garage racing. Because I don't want to butcher your name. The gold garage Will Smith racing. But we're going to give Jodo and Gabe these ones right here. We want them, but we're going to be nice. Because they're not here right now to fight over it. What else? We got anything else to say to the people?
No.
Any updates on your car?
I need a fender and a hood, and then it's prep time for paint. And that's it.
So maybe by next year, we'll actually see another
No.
D-Rice video.
Before the summer, calling it.
2020.
Yes.
Are you eating out? Huh?
No.
Okay. So I'm making dinner now.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
If your mom knew what you just did when you're on the phone with her.
All I have to say is follow him, support him, buy some of his crap.
He also has merch out, as do
Yes.
we, but I gotta restock. But he has merch out.
Buy
Every
it.
link for everything is down below if you
Buy
want to
it.
check it out. If you want to buy his stuff, buy his stuff.
Buy something.
What else? That's fucking it. That's hot. What's going on, guys? If you guys want to see us do more unboxing videos like this, please let us know. If you guys want to end up sending stuff in, please let me know down below if that is something that you would like to do. I do have a P.O. box, and I would love to open everything that you guys send us. We can do it with Gabe, Jodel, Adrian, whoever you want. Obviously, we get a shout out. We could open literally anything, drawings, pictures, You want to send us literally anything, we'll open it. We'll probably do this more official next time. But let us know down below, and please subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.